Welcome to Manteca Trailer and Motorhome, and here's a walkthrough video of one of our great RVs. Since 1970, Manteca Trailer and Motorhome has been committed to being the very best in sales, service, and parts. We look out for our customers through a commitment to warm, personal attention and high standards of excellence. Besides winning numerous awards from manufacturers and multiple Best of awards, the dealership was the recipient of the prestigious Industry Award West Coast Dealer of the Year. Manteca Trailer and Motorhome has become one of Northern California's highest volume RV dealerships, offering the best buys and service. So whether you're looking for a new RV or need to take a spot in our 30-bay state-of-the-art service facility, Manteca Trailer and Motorhome is the best place for your recreational needs. Give us a call or stop by Manteca Trailer and Motorhome today.